Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Calendar notifications from Chrome. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Locate the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Click on these dots to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Next, click on Site Settings. Scroll down, click on Notifications to access the notification settings. Here, you'll see a list of websites that can send notifications. Find Google Calendar in this list. If you see it, click on the three vertical dots next to it. Choose the option to remove or block. If Google Calendar isn't listed, you'll need to check for any related entries. Look for any entries related to calendar.google.com or similar. Repeat the removal or blocking process for any related entries. Once you've completed this step, exit the Settings menu. Next, return to Google Calendar in your web browser. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the calendar. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Event Notifications tab. Here, you can customize or disable notifications for events if needed. Make sure to save any changes before exiting. Close the tab and refresh your Google Calendar. Your Google Calendar notifications should now be uninstalled from Chrome. Enjoy a quieter browsing experience without those notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.